Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you for a full ride on Nemo's Submarine Voyage here at the Disneyland Resort. We hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment on the video, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. So we're lucky to be here on a day when it's not that busy, and so we only have a 10-minute wait for the ride. The queue is pretty cool. Well themed, very futuristic. You can hear the Nemo music in the background. I love all these plants. I don't know how they make plants futuristic, but they do. It's really cool. So this ride used to be the Submarine Voyage, and they changed it to the Nemo Submarine Voyage a few years back, I believe around 2005. So they repainted the subs and rethemed the ride.
Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks. Venting auxiliaries.
Let's take it down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead through. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind. The coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
0 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Hi, sir.
It's like we're fishing.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat, but now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you, son? 2 deep. Come aboard, explorers! Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue
Hey,
world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, sure. Where? DAC, dude. It'll be like,
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the car. Head standing.
Aye, aye.
Powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin!
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny! I'm a clownfish! Nemo!
Dude, check it out! Wow! It's a big sunken butt!
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son!
Ooh, I can help!
It's Nemo!
Where?
No, that's why we're trying to find
By who?
my son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We've been on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember. Yes, have you seen it?
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am Elisha, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Like their mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh. That's it.
Secure all stations. System check.
Hold steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead and full. He's scary, but what's the I don't know. Race you there! Okay, go!
Dory!
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I shoot.
Each with a light.
It's getting closer. Closer. Slip away! It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that?
Me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing, boing.
Stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun.
No, really. You're invited to a party. Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found you! I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh, can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay, Nemo! Hey, Bruno! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Well, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fit. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Jimmy Clinton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why's that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one whale!
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like hold on tight. I'm gonna just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey!
Shall I enter any of this into the law?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. What an amazing ride, and look at that view of the Matterhorn here. So beautiful at night. That ride is so detailed and so amazing. Wow. Well, that's all for now for this full ride on the Nemo Submarine Voyage here at Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please again remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, please be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida, talk to Victor Naraki at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor. Be sure to tell him that Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.